Welcome to Coxie's Picks. If you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe. Enjoy. Hello again everyone. Whilst watching Blackdolphin 90's video on the IK70, a comment from phred Flintstoner caught my eye. He asked if the key on thingiverse, thing 28480 worked. Well, sounds like a question I can help with. The quick answer is no. But if you scale the thing to 95%, the key will be a snug fit. I used 75% infill with 4 shells and a slow print speed on PLA. So let's just sit back and watch. Well, it works on both set of cuffs, but as you can see it starts to distort. This could be another single-use key, but in ABS may be more reliable. Stay safe everyone, and I will see you on the next video.